Hello and welcome. I'm Jamie with Kinship Montessori, and today we are going to talk about why we need better metaphors in education and why the cell might be one of them. Education has long been shaped by industrial metaphors, inputs and outputs, pacing guides, behavioral management, efficiency, content delivery. We inherited these from factories, from bureaucracies, from colonial systems built on control. They were never meant to support life. They were built to sort, standardize, and scale. But when you build a learning system around those metaphors, something very human gets lost. Children are not products. Classrooms are not pipelines. Guides are not managers. We don't just need new strategies, we need better metaphors, especially living ones. Metaphors that reflect how growth actually works, how ecosystems adapt, how systems repair, how relationships evolve. And to be clear, this is not innovation, this is remembrance. Living metaphors have always been part of ancestral learning, long before formal schools, before credentials, before instruction as authority. Indigenous, oral, and place-based traditions have always used nature, body, and cycle to explain the world, to teach a child through rhythm, through symbols, through spiral, is not new. It's what colonization tried to strip away. This is a small act of return. So in the posts to come, I'll be exploring the classroom as a living cell, not as a gimmick, not as a science analogy, but as a framework for re-seeing the learning environment as a system that breathes, responds, and remembers. Because when we shift the metaphor, the classroom becomes a cell, not a container. Boundaries become membranes, flexible, porous, alive. Energy becomes sacred, not optional. Guides become stewards of movement, not enforcers of plans. Repair becomes intelligent, not shameful. Letting go becomes necessary, not failure. And education begins to feel like life again. I'll share reflections often, not on a set schedule, but in rhythm as they emerge, as cells do. Thanks for being in this field with me.